your RV feeling hot and muggy? Improve the airflow in your RV with RecPro's RV ceiling vents. These durable vents are for use with your furnace or ducted air conditioner, giving you control over the flow of air in your RV, and the low-profile designs ensure these vents blend in easily with any RV interior. RecPro has multiple ceiling vent options available, including vents that rotate 360 degrees, have adjustable dampers, have mesh screens, filters, and more. These features allow you to control airflow, doing things like changing airflow direction, filtering out unwanted dirt and debris, or softening and spreading out the air being pumped out of your furnace or air conditioner. These vents are available in 1, 2, 5, and 10 pack options so that you can have as many as you need for your camper. These vents require 2 to 4 screws to install. Some of them have covers that hide the screws, keeping the vents looking sleek and seamless. If you're tired of musty, stale air in your RV, then upgrading to one of these RecPro RV ceiling vents is a great choice to improve airflow. To learn more about these products, just click the link in the description below. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.